Hello and welcome, this is exciting news. PlatinumLED has just upgraded their most popular light therapy series, BIOMAX. So let's talk about what is new and if these lights are just right for you. Please stay with me. So we've been waiting a couple years, but here it is now, new series of BIOMAXes. So let's see what they have improved or changed. So first you can see that the lights look a little bit different. So they updated a little bit the design of the boxes, the metal boxes the lights are in. And they have also new digital panel. And this panel has got very interesting feature, dimming. So now you can very easily increase the light output and decrease the light output as much as you need. Light output of PlatinumLED panels is one of the most, even if not the most stronger on the market. So some people may complain that it's just too bright for their eyes. So now with this dimmer they can just lower the brightness to their liking, because especially when you do the light therapy for your skin, you don't need a lot of brightness, because even a smaller amount of light will work very well on your skin. Only when you do like deep tissue treatment for muscles and joints, then of course you want to use the full power. But then if you do it on your joints, you just don't look in the direction of the light and just place your lights very close to your body, so it shouldn't be a problem. But of course if you move out from the lights and you do, let's say for instance, some kind of exercises, because some people like to do light therapy and at the same time do some exercises or yoga or meditation. So if the lights are too bright, that might be a little bit discomforting. So now with this dimmer, they dim down and they can comfortably, do whatever they do during the light therapy session. In the casing, they also added a special hand grip, so it's easy for mounting the lights, because you can easily hold them. We're using this specially designed handholds. New lights have the same multi-wave spectrum output, so it's 2 wavelengths for red therapy, 630 and 660, and 3 for near-infrared light, which is 810, 830 and 850. So gives you a comprehensive wavelengths, which hopefully gives you the most which the current red light therapy can offer. They use the latest LED technology, and now their panel gives you 40% more light than the previous model. By the way, the new models are 100% compatible with the old one. So for instance, if you happen to have your old BIOMAX panel and you want to buy another one to create like a more sophisticated setup, so connect one on top of another, they can link with each other very easily and without problem. Apart from digital control, now these new panels can wirelessly connect with each other. So if you have 2 new panels, you don't need to link them with the cable, but you can connect them wirelessly. The good news is the prices stay the same. So you pay for the new panels exactly the same as you were paying for the old ones. But of course you've got upgraded features, more light and better digital controls and generally better user experience. So if you are new to red light therapy or just considering buying panels from PlatinumLED, let me advise you which panels are just right for you. So the smallest panel, BIOMAX 300, is perfect for targeted treatment. So if you want to use mostly red light therapy for doing like face anti-aging, or perhaps some localized areas, like for instance doing specifically on your knees or on your legs, then this is perfect panel for you, and you can use it like it comes already with mounting on the door or on the wall. Or for $99 extra you can get a table stand and you can use it on your beauty desk, for instance. And if you want to make the most benefits of red light therapy, you may consider doing full body treatment, and for this you need larger panel, like for instance model 600. It's 36 inches long and wide enough to cover my body easily. But of course, if you are a more athletic person, then the model higher than 900 would be better because it's wider. Model 600 is 9 inches wide and 900 is 12 inches, which is beneficial for more athletic people. And if you are not sure which models to buy, choose for that one you think is the right choice for you right now, and you have 2 months to assess. They give you 2 months trial period. So test the light, ask your whole family to use it for all different purposes, whatever their therapeutic needs are, and then assess if this is the right size and the right therapy light for you. If yes, then keep it for many years of enjoyable and beneficial light therapy at home. And if it happens that it's not working for you as you expected, return them light and they will give you money back. New lights come also with 3-year warranty like the previous line, and in United States you've got delivery for free. And if you are wondering, is it worth investing in your light therapy at home? Consider this. Having a light panel at home allows you to do light therapy for you and all other members of your family every day, whenever you want. And if you want to access light therapy somewhere else, then of course you have to go somewhere, find parking space, deal with traffic jams, and you need to access their services when they are opened. And of course you have to pay them sometimes hefty fee, probably like $20 per session or something like this. So I believe it is really worth getting a red light therapy panel for you, and then you can access light therapy every day at any time. So for instance, if you are a very busy person, you can do light therapy in the evening, and this is for instance what I like to do. I like to do my light therapy just before I go to bed because it helps me with better mood, with better sleep, and when I wake up in the morning I have more energy. So I do light therapy after I have a shower in the evening, and then I couldn't do it if I had to go somewhere like to spa or other, facility, do the light therapy and come back home. That wouldn't work for me very well. And with light therapy, consistency is very important. So if having sessions is easy and pleasurable, then you will do it every day or almost every day, and then you will reap the best benefits. But of course, if you just visit your spa once a week or maybe twice a week, I don't think you can get the same benefits. So of course, your wellness is your choice. You know what's best for you, what best works for you. I hope red light therapy panels will be good investment for you and your family. So my advice, choose the model you think is best for you, get it, test it for 2 months, and I'm strongly convinced that it's going to work for you very well. So if you want to learn more about these new therapy panels from PlatinumLED, please check the link in the video description below. And if you are ready to purchase it, use my name as a coupon code and you will have a discount. If you get value from this video, please give it a thumb up. I really appreciate it. Share with your friends who would also benefit from this information. If you are new here, please consider subscribing. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.